If you want to learn generative AI on AWS in 2026, you usually have two choices: watch a 10-hour dry lecture or open a personal AWS account and pray you don't accidentally spend $500 on a GPU instance. But what if I told you there's a third way? A way where you can play a 3D game, zap drones, rebuild a virtual city, and AWS gives you a live console for free to do it? AWS Cloud Quest Generative AI Practitioner, and why this is the only way you should be preparing for your AWS AI Practitioner certification and also get real-time hands-on experience. So AWS Skill Builder is an e-learning platform from AWS, so you can sign up for free. So there's also a paid version, but if you want to learn an upskill on your own, then you can opt for the free version. So you can sign up for free and then sign in. So let me sign in to my AWS Skill Builder account. So once you have signed in into your Skill Builder account, you can go to Explore, where you can learn by cloud roles, filter by product domains, prepare for the certification learning plan, and then you can also validate your skills and get knowledge badges. So let me click on product domain and then click on artificial intelligence. uh, you choose the access tier as free, and then choose the type as cloud quest, so that you can practice hands-on labs in an AWS live environment without having to pay any amount uh, from your end. So I've already completed my generative practitioner cloud quest exercise and received a digital badge for it. So these are the different tasks that you need to complete in order to get this badge. I'll show you how this will look like. So let me click on return to beginning, and then I'll click on review. So once you click on start game, to traverse the path and enter the generative AI area, where you will meet people who will give you the tasks that you need to solve using generative AI services on AWS. Complete all these exercises, so you will receive a badge for Cloud Quest Generative AI Practitioner, which you can share it on LinkedIn. So, other learning courses on different areas, including blockchain, containers, compute, data analytics, IoT, serverless, storage, networking. So you can filter based on your area of interest, and then you will find different types of courses on them. And you can also prepare for various certification courses. And if you want to validate your skills, you can click on knowledge badge. So you have to take up a quiz, and once you successfully score 80% or above, you'll receive a knowledge badge for these services, including Compute, Amazon Q, EKS, and ECS. And also, we have one for security. Share this with anybody who's looking to upskill on AWS and AI. Thank you.